At Electrocomponents, we share these values, and that's one reason why we're committed to a more sustainable world through education and innovative solutions that improve lives. That's why we've chosen the Washing Machine Project as our first global charity partner to mobilize our people, our customers, and suppliers to help improve lives through this fantastic cause.
Right now, we're making Divya 2 even easier to use. We've introduced multiple modes of interaction, so it's easier for people with disabilities to use. And we've even made it seated, so it promotes good posture.